Scott Groves with another mortgage mystery. What is a buyer's market, or what is a seller's market? And this goes back to Economics 101. A seller's market basically means that there is a high demand for housing and there is a low inventory of housing. So basically think of Southern California for the last 5 years. After we came out of the housing crisis of 2008, 2009, there was a time period, if you were a buyer, you could make a couple offers and get an offer on a house accepted pretty quickly. Fast forward to 2015, 16 and beyond, and most buyers are having to bid on 5, 10, 15, or even 20 houses before they have a chance to get an offer accepted. And on that offer, they're having to bid above the listing price and give a ton of concessions to the seller in how the deal is structured. So that very simply is a seller's market where there is a huge pent-up demand from pre-approved buyers, but there's a small supply, either because there's not enough houses being built, there's not enough houses being sold, or the prices have got to the point where it's closed out a bunch of the market due to the fact that there's just too many buyers and not enough sellers. So that's a seller's market. Now, a buyer's market is when there is not enough buyers for the current supply of houses. So this is that same Econ 101, right? If there's more supply and less demand, then that puts downward pressure on prices. Unlike when it's a seller's market and there's not enough property for the amount of qualified buyers, that puts upward pressure on prices. So a seller's market, very simply, not enough properties for too many buyers. A buyer's market, too many properties for too few buyers. And these are the things that go cyclically throughout our housing market and any normal real estate cycle. Unfortunately, since about 2010, we haven't seen enough new home construction to keep up with the demand from household formations and new pre-approved buyers who are entering the market. So in almost all major metropolitan areas at the time of recording this video, which is at the end of 2021, we are seeing a seller's market where there's too many buyers chasing too few properties. That's putting upward pressure on prices, and it's allowing sellers to be really, really picky about the offer, the terms, and the price that they accept for the sale of their property. Scott Groves with another mortgage mystery. If you like this video, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, click the like button. And if you have any questions about getting a mortgage or want to find out how you can stand out and be more competitive in a seller's market, because you might have to sweeten the offer or sweeten your deal or sweeten the terms in order to get an offer accepted, give us a call, shoot us an email, get on our calendar. All the links are below. We'd love to help you with your mortgage if it's in a state where we are licensed. We're licensed in about 10 states across America. And if for some reason you're buying a house in a state where we're not listed, that's okay. We've got awesome loan officers in every state we can refer to. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.